Hi guys, so this is going to be showing you an indicator within LuxAlgo Premium that is not too well known about, and people misuse it a lot of the time, but honestly is one of my favorite indicators in the toolkit. If you watch this video, you'll definitely be wanting to use it in your trading, undoubtedly. And I'm going to be particularly showing how good it is for scalpers. Now, you all know I highly do not recommend going below the 15-minute chart when you trade. It's you'll lose your gains to frictional costs. You'll succumb to over trading. I'm just going to be using the 1-minute chart as an example because there are some of you that may insist or may love scalping or going on to lower time frames. So I'm going to be showing an example on the 1 minute, for example. I'll go on to other time frames showing you how powerful this is. So inside LuxAlgo Premium, I've turned off the signals and we have no signal mode, and I've turned on the smart trail. So today I'm going to be talking about the smart trail. So you're going to see these blue and red waves on your chart that look a bit like a trailing stop. So you may open this and you'll look at it and you'll go, oh yeah, just buy when it turns blue and sell when it turns red. It's a normal buy sell thing. No, this is not the main utility of the smart trail. The main utility of the smart trail is actually support and resistance, which may seem a bit counterintuitive. It may seem a bit confusing, but let me show you and how we may want to use it for our entries. So the price comes up and we see it comes into this blue cloud. Consider this blue cloud now as a support. So we bounce off of this area. The price goes up, it comes down. Another perfect entry. So consider these perfect long entries for your scalping. And then we come down, we don't bounce, but then we find the red cloud as a resistance. We bounce off of it, we come down. 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 4 amazing little scalps. These are tiny price movements, but imagine if this was on a larger time frame, it's going to be larger price movements. We then break above, we find support on the cloud, we bounce up, and so on and so forth. So you want to be using these as entries, basically. So if you're a scalper, you want to look for test of the cloud. You want to look for test of the smart trail as your support and resistance method. So this is such a good feature that I don't even need to pull up examples. I can go back in the chart and totally unplanned. You can see here, it finds resistance on the cloud. Amazing opportunity for a little scalp. Bounces off the cloud, we go up. Here it breaks below the cloud. We're never going to have 100%. You guys know that. Bounce off the cloud, bounce off the cloud, bounce off the cloud, bounce off the cloud. It goes down a little bit. Bounce off the cloud. I can go on but goes up a little bit, goes up a little. I can go on through an entire chart. You guys can load it up and you can see this for yourself. So it's an amazing thing to be using as part of a strategy. So let me show you how you could incorporate that into a strategy. So what I've gone and done is I've loaded up the contrarian signals and I've set the sensitivity to 10. So I want to use these signals as exits and take profits. So the strategy would be extremely simple. When the price enters the cloud, let's say a blue cloud, you want to enter a long position and you take profit when it says sell, or when it basically wants you to exit a long and enter a short, but you only take profit here. So we enter long here, we take profit on the sell signal. We enter along here, we take profit on the sell signal. We enter a short here, we take profit on the buy signal. We enter along here. We could have, if there was a signal here, maybe we could have taken profit. It's a loser. We can't win them all. Enter along here, take profit on the sell signal. Enter along here, take profit on the sell signal, so forth. It's an incredibly effective scalping strategy. And actually, it's not just for scalping. Let me load up another time frame. So I've just loaded up the 4 hour because I'm particularly a fan of the 4 hour, but this can of course be used on 15 minute, 30 minute. You guys can load it up at home and see it work for yourself. You get here, buy signal, because it's within the smart trail area. And we take profit when? We take profit when we see the sell. So we see a sell over here, we take profit here. Some people may say, oh, well, you could have got more gains here. Well, hindsight is 2020. You don't know that the price is going to go up that far. The point is we're making money. Here, for example, we have a sell signal. We wick perfectly into the smart trail. We come down and we take profit basically at the local bottom, which is very nice. Here, we enter a long position. We wick just again perfectly into the smart trail. We take profit on the sell signal and then the price goes down. We can find many, many more examples. We enter a long position around here. We take profit on the sell for that little mover. And it's very, very, very effective. Here, we actually would have entered along at both of these areas if you wanted to add to your order, because this is also some kind of support, and we just take profit there. It's really, really effective. You guys can backtest this at home, but I guarantee you'll find it very, very effective, and you'll probably want to get using it pretty shortly. The smart trail doesn't have to be used with these signals. It's a great standalone support and resistance indicator that I highly recommend checking out and would highly recommend trying to use in your trading. So thank you for watching.